Hello from wherever you're watching us, and welcome to this new tutorial where we are going to learn how to create a profile on Upwork and get approved instantly. The jobs in Upwork are in different categories. As you can see, we have development and IT, AI services, design and creative, sales and marketing, writing and translation, engineering and architecture, and there are so many. So how do you now create a profile in Upwork and have it approved instantly? You'll go to upwork.com, and the link to that is available in the description of this video. At the top right corner, you will click on sign up, and then you choose if you want to join as a client or as a freelancer. In this video, we are going to focus on joining as a freelancer. And a freelancer is someone who wants to work. The client is the one who posts jobs and hires the freelancers to work. So you click on looking for work. I'm a freelancer. Then you click on apply as a freelancer. Then you sign up to find what you love to do, and you can continue with Google or Apple, or you can just join with an email. So in this case, we are going to join with an email. So you put your name here, and then you put your email there, and then you put your password, and then you choose your location in this place here. So you notice we have many countries here. So you choose the country where you are from down here. Then you can check if you want to be receiving emails or not. And then you click on the acceptance of their terms and services, which you can read here. Then you click on create an account. So you'll get that your account has been successfully created, and then you'll be required to verify your email. So you go back to your email and verify that. And so you get congratulations, your account is verified. Then you get redirected here. So you are ready to now start creating your profile here. So you click on get started down here, and then you answer a few quick questions as a freelancer. So who are you? If you have some experience, if you don't, if you're an expert, you click on any. So I'll click on I have some experience, then click on next. Then what is your biggest goal for freelancing? You notice we have all this to earn my main income, to make some side money, and all this one. And then you click on next, so that now it takes you to where you create the profile. You add the title to tell the world what you do. It's a very fast thing clients see. So make sure you stand out by describing your experience in your own words. So for instance, if you are a video editor, don't just type here video editor. Look for a word that may work best for you. So up here, if you go to Upwork and then you come to search here, if I type there video editor, and then under talent here, I search for talent instead of jobs or projects, then I click on search, it will give me some inspiration to see what successful people are doing. So for instance, you notice here, we have this person whose title is written YouTube video editor. So not just video editor, it's written YouTube video editor. You notice here we have another one, YouTube video editor, pro YT shorts and reels editor. So you can basically get inspirations from these videos, from these profiles of people who have created. So you make sure your title looks as good as these ones. You notice this is professional video editor and all that. So coming back here, you say who you are. So you just want to write professional video editor, and then click on next to add your experience. You can now add your experience here. You simply click on add experience, and then you fill in here what was your title. Maybe you are the chief editor for which company. Down here, you write the company. Maybe you are on ABCD TV. Then the location, that was where you are working. And then if you are still working there, you select there. You can select the dates here when you started and the year when you started also. And then you can describe yourself here. What were you doing? You are dealing with editing. Now here, you simply write what you are doing that is relevant to the job. You are editing news, you are editing articles, whatever it is that you are doing. This is where you type all that. what you are doing for this work experience. You click on save to save that. You now notice we have you as the chief editor in ABCD, or that. So you can add more. You just click on plus here to add more work experience. And I would advise you to add more than one work experience. Next, after you have added that, you now go to your education. For education, you make sure that you add relevant education. So you click on education, then you write the school here. Maybe you are in Northwest University, then you click on next. This is now where you select your skills, and it's very important that you select the skills that best describe what you can do. If you have no idea about it, you can go and search for SEO, search engine optimization, for the best words to use here. But you notice here we have suggested ones. For instance, if I type the word video, you notice I get all this about video. So maybe I'm good in video color correction. I click on that. To add another skill, I just type I'm good with color grading. I just type color grading. You notice it's here. I select that. Then you add up to a maximum of 15. So make sure you go for the skills that you know are marketable. For instance, video editing, video color correction, depending on your niche, you are able to get that. I'm basing this one on video editing. If you're in writing, again, you'll focus on other things. Maybe you have academic writing, academic content development, whatever it is, you add all those here. Once you are done, you click on next so that you can now write your overview. Now you help people get to know you at a glance, what you do best. So this is where you now write your overview. So for the overview here, you enter your profile. You make sure you enter your top skills, experience, and interest. And this is one of the first things client will see on your profile. So it's very important that you consider that. So if we go back to the page where we had looked for samples, you'll notice sample profiles. Hi, welcome to my profile. Are you looking for a professional video YouTube editing service? We can deliver that within 24 hours or less. This is how you simply get inspiration. Top-rated video editor and social media marketing editor with this experience and all this. So basically, this is where you get it. You get an idea of how to describe yourself. The short way of doing this is you can just go to bard.google.com so that it can generate for you a sample profile. But remember, it's not allowed for you to use AI-generated content on your profile. So it's good that you just use this one. We are going to use this one as a sample. So I'll type here, generate a sample Upwork profile for a freelancer video editor, then click on generate. You can do this also with ChatGPT so that you just also get an idea of what needs to be done for your profile. So you notice now, here we have a profile generated. I am a professional video editor with 10 years of experience in the industry. I'm proficient in all aspects of video editing processes. So you notice this one gives you an idea of what should be in your profile. So this should help you to just have an idea of that. So I'll come back here, enter my top skills, experience, and interests. And then with that, you notice now my profile will look like this. Then I'll click on next to choose the categories for the services. What are the main services you offer? You choose at least one service. So the services are down here. For instance, you notice now I can add video and animation. Then next you set your rate. As a beginner, make sure you don't set your rate too high. Don't set your rate too high as a beginner until a time when you have enough reviews, then you can adjust your rate. I personally advise you to start at around $5 or $10 per hour rate. And then you click on next to add your photo and location. And then you click on review your profile. Now, this is how my profile looks like. You notice here the description that I showed you, my hourly rate, the skills are here, the work history is here, and then once I'm satisfied, I'll click on submit profile down here. And with that, if you pay attention to all the requirements that I've said, you should have your Upwork approved immediately. I hope this has been helpful. Kindly like this video, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.